Ever had that sinking feeling mid-conversation when you see snow? But it's not winter, and it's definitely not magical. It's dandruff, the uninvited guest at every hair party. But fear not, fellow sufferers. Today, we're diving deep into the scalp saga, from understanding what dandruff is to kicking it to the curb and keeping it there for good. So, grab your popcorn, a comfy blanket, and settle in because this journey from flakes to fixes is about to get interesting and informative. What is dandruff, really? Let's ditch the snowscape metaphor and delve into the science behind those pesky flakes. Dandruff, in simpler terms, is the accelerated shedding of dead skin cells from your scalp. Now, everyone sheds skin, it's a natural process. But for some folks, the cell turnover goes into overdrive, leading to the visible and often embarrassing flakes. Imagine a confetti explosion happening on your head, except it's not celebratory and definitely not biodegradable. Did you know? Everyone sheds about 40,000 skin cells per day. That's a lot of potential confetti. But before we jump to conclusions, it's important to understand that dandruff exists on a spectrum. There's mild dandruff, which might just show up as a few white flakes on your shoulders now and then. Then there's moderate dandruff, which can be more visible and potentially itchy. Finally, there's severe dandruff, also known as seborrheic dermatitis, which can cause significant scaling, redness, and irritation. So, it's crucial to identify the severity of your dandruff to choose the most effective solutions. The culprits behind the flakes. Now, why does this dandruff drama unfold? Well, there are a few potential villains hiding in the shadows. Malassezia, this fancy-named fungus, lives on everyone's scalp, but in some cases, it throws a massive party and sheds like crazy, contributing to dandruff. Think of it as the confetti cannon operator gone rogue, overproducing a substance that irritates the scalp and triggers increased skin cell turnover. Dry skin. Ever feel like your scalp is a desert, especially during winter months? Dryness can definitely worsen dandruff. Imagine the confetti getting stuck to parched earth, unable to escape the scene and accumulating visibly. Sensitivity. Sometimes, your scalp reacts to certain hair products or styling methods like a diva to bad lighting, leading to irritation and flaking. Think of it as an allergic reaction to the confetti material itself, where your scalp becomes inflamed and sheds more readily. Medical conditions. In rare cases, underlying medical conditions like eczema or psoriasis can play a role in dandruff development. Think of these as surprise confetti launchers that add an unexpected twist to the scene, requiring additional medical attention and specialized treatment plans. Quick poll. Have you ever experienced an itchy scalp? Show audience participation with a poll graphic. Remember, you're not alone. Dandruff is a common scalp concern that affects millions of people worldwide. It's important to remember that it's not a reflection of hygiene or personal habits, and there are effective ways to manage and overcome it. The flaky fallout. More than just an eyesore. While dandruff might seem like a cosmetic concern, it can have other effects. Itchiness. That constant itch can be like a mosquito at a picnic, annoying, distracting, and ruining the fun. It can disrupt sleep, social interactions, and overall well-being. Embarrassment. Let's face it, dandruff can be a confidence killer. Imagine having confetti stuck to you all day, knowing everyone sees it. It can lead to self-consciousness and social anxiety. Social stigma. Sadly, dandruff is sometimes misunderstood, leading to unnecessary social stigma. People might make assumptions about hygiene or cleanliness, which can be hurtful and untrue. Remember, dandruff is a skin condition, not a reflection of your personality or lifestyle. Remember, dandruff is common and manageable. You're not alone in this, and there are effective solutions available, from DIY fixes to dermatologist decisions. Now for the good news. There are ways to combat dandruff and flaunt a healthy scalp. Let's explore some options. Important disclaimer. Always consult a doctor before using any new product, especially if you have sensitive skin or underlying conditions. Lifestyle hacks for a flake-free future. Remember, your lifestyle can also impact dandruff. Think of it as preventing future confetti explosions. Choose the right shampoo *. Look for ingredients like zinc, pyrithione, ketoconazole, or salicylic acid to combat the fungus and soothe irritation. Don't forget a gentle conditioner. Embrace the power of nature * tea tree oil, apple cider vinegar, and yogurt masks can offer natural relief. Do a patch test first to check for sensitivity. **** hydrate your scalp * just like your face. Your scalp needs moisture. Use lukewarm water when washing, avoid harsh products, and consider scalp massages with oils like jojoba or coconut. Diet for a healthy scalp * omega-3 fatty acids and probiotics can support scalp health. Include salmon, avocados, and yogurt in your diet. Remember, consistency is key. * give these solutions a try and see what works for you. If dandruff persists or worsens, consult a dermatologist to rule out any underlying conditions. Beyond the flakes, embracing self-care. Dandruff can be frustrating, but don't let it define you. Remember, you're not alone. Taking care of your scalp is an act of self-love and self-care. By understanding the root causes and implementing simple solutions, you can achieve a healthier, happier scalp and regain your confidence. Thanks for joining me on this journey to dandruff-free days. Remember, be patient, be kind to your scalp, and don't hesitate to seek professional help if needed. Now go forth and flaunt your healthy, beautiful locks. Like and subscribe for more hair care tips and tricks. * share your dandruff experiences in the comments below. * let me know what other hair care topics you'd like to see covered.